We'll have to talk to the sponsor of the bill. Oh wait, that was me. When we did early voting, there was a lot of apprehension about early voting, a lot of it. And matter of fact, after the first cycle of early voting, Susan's question was very apropos because there was a lot of, and I'll say it myself, felt a lot of discrimination in certain communities. So what we did is, instead of giving the leeway, we changed the law to say if a certain population, they had to have a early voting site. Now Carla and I have sat down, and this was preceding Carla, so I won't pick on her. We have sat down as trying to figure out the most useful way of switching this possibly to get a bigger vote, because some of the problems we had, Susan, and I'll tell you, I now live in Vernon Hills. I went to vote, early voting, and the line was probably from here 2 blocks away. But I was told, why don't you go over to North Chicago? I went over to North Chicago site, and there was only about a half a dozen people ahead of me. So it was different sites, different ways of seeing this, and the peak periods and the low periods were going on in some of these places. So we've sat down and we're talking about possibly putting in some permanent locations that would answer your question and answer everybody, to where I think the voters would have more ability. But as far as the time period, that's set by statute. They have to be open these certain periods of time.